Hi friends, and welcome back to Priya's kitchen. Today I am going to show you a very special dessert recipe, chia seed pudding. You can find all my recipes at www.priyaskitchen.net. Here I have taken 1 cup of milk, and for 1 cup of milk I am using 3 tablespoons of chia seed. Mix it well. Cover it up. Keep this milk and chia seed mixture in refrigerator for 3-4 hours before preparing the pudding. It's been more than 3 hours. Let's check the chia seed. They have been double the size. Give a good mix. Chia seed is very nutritious and rich in omega-3, and it goes best as a breakfast, snacks as well as dessert. I am going to separate it in 2 different bowls. So once we add fruits, it will not overflow. We'll start preparing pudding. Adding honey. You can use sugar or any other sweetener you like to. Adding banana. Adding mangoes. You can add any fruit of your choice and also what you like. It goes best with each and every fruit. Here I have blueberries. Finally, I am going to garnish it with sliced almond. Now our chia seed pudding is ready to be served. If you want to add ice cream, it goes best with ice cream as well. You can try that. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the recipe. Please like, comment and subscribe Priya's Kitchen for more videos. Bye bye.